1947 USA 1-cent coin. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of America's classic coins, the 1947 1-cent coin, also known as the wheat penny. Whether you're a seasoned coin collector or just curious about vintage currency, this video is packed with history, details, and tips you won't want to miss. So, let's get started. The 1947 penny comes from a fascinating period in American history. It was minted just after World War II, a time when the country was transitioning from wartime austerity to a booming economy. The penny itself, while small and humble, tells a bigger story about the era and American coinage. The 1947 penny is part of the Lincoln Wheat Cent series, which ran from 1909 to 1958. Designed by Victor David Brenner, the wheat penny was introduced to commemorate the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth. The obverse, or front, features a portrait of Lincoln, while the reverse showcases two wheat ears, symbolizing prosperity and growth. On the front, you'll see the famous profile of Abraham Lincoln, facing right. The inscriptions include, "In God We Trust" at the top, "Liberty" on the left side, and the date, 1947, on the right. On the back, the words 1 cent are centered, with United States of America just below, flanked by the two iconic wheat stalks. The 1947 penny was minted at 3 different locations: Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. You can tell which mint it came from by the small mint mark located just below the date on the obverse. No mint mark means Philadelphia, D is Denver, and S is San Francisco. The mintage numbers were: Philadelphia, approximately 1.6 billion coins; Denver, around 432 million coins; San Francisco, about 274 million coins. This makes the Philadelphia mint coin the most common 1947 penny, while the San Francisco mint ones are comparatively rarer. So, how much is a 1947 penny worth? Well, most circulated 1947 pennies are worth just their face value, 1 cent. However, coins in uncirculated or mint condition can be worth a few dollars to collectors. Key factors that affect value include the coin's condition, mint mark, and any unique errors or varieties. For example, a flawless 1947 penny in mint state condition can fetch $5 to $20 or more. Collectors should keep an eye out for errors. While 1947 pennies don't have any widely known major errors, small anomalies such as double dies or off-center strikes can occasionally be found and are highly prized. If you're hunting for a 1947 wheat penny, here are a few tips. Look for coins with clear details, especially on Lincoln's face and the wheat ears. Coins without heavy wear or corrosion are more valuable. Check the mint mark carefully. The S mint pennies can be rarer and more valuable. Consider sending your best finds to professional graders to confirm their condition and authenticity. Here are some fun facts about the wheat penny and the 1947 coin. The wheat penny was the first U.S. coin to feature a real person, Abraham Lincoln. It was the longest-running cent design in U.S. history, before the Lincoln Memorial design replaced it in 1959. The copper in these pennies made them a target during wartime metal drives. But the 1947 penny was produced after the war ended. So, whether you're looking to start your coin collection or just want to appreciate the history behind everyday objects, the 1947 wheat penny is a fantastic piece to explore. Have you ever found a 1947 penny? Drop a comment below with your stories or questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on more coin history and collecting tips. Thanks for watching, and happy hunting!